Hey everyone, I'm Josh Jennings with Livingston Haven. As a longtime partner of Perma, we know they offer more than automatic lubricators. They also provide a full range of mounting solutions available in two forms: direct mounting and remote mounting. Let's start with direct mounting. This is the simplest and most compact setup, mounting the lubricator directly onto the lubrication point. For direct mounting, you'll use a support flange and a little Loctite to make sure it stays secure. Now let's talk about remote mounting. When lubrication points are hard to access, located in hazardous areas, or exposed to heavy dirt and debris, remote mounting is the way to go. You can run up to 16 feet of hose from the lubricator to the lubrication point, so your team can service the unit from a safe and convenient location. Perma offers different options for remote mounting depending on your equipment layout. Beam clamp mounts let you secure the lubricator to structural beams, and they come in both standard and heavy-duty versions. Cage hanger mounts work great when you need flexible suspension in tight or overhead spaces. And rail mounts are commonly used on safety rails and catwalks, keeping the lubricator accessible without putting anyone in a dangerous spot. Whatever your setup looks like, Perma has a mounting solution that will fit your equipment and your safety requirements, and we're here to help you choose what works best. To learn more, reach out to us at Livingston Haven or visit permausa.com. We'll help you build the right lubrication setup for your operation.